So do you also use Facebook lead ads to get more leads for your own business? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Pabbly email marketing. So like you, I also use Facebook to get more leads for my own business, and now what I want is that as soon as we receive a new lead from Facebook, I want to create a new subscriber in Pabbly email marketing so that I can create targeted email campaigns and nurture these leads. So to do this, we're going to create a connection between Facebook and Pabbly email marketing, and we are going to create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language using an amazing automation software which is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin and create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly email marketing. So to do this, you have to log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your dashboard. So if you are an existing user, directly do this. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the landing page URL of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. Go on that URL and you're going to get the option of sign up for free. So sign up inside Pabbly Connect and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then come on the dashboard and click on this create workflow. It is asking to select the workflow builder, so you have two options, the new one or the classic one. So the new workflow builder is faster, flexible and adult for those who want a modern interface, while the classic one on the other hand is stable, has a familiar approach and adult for those who want to try it and test its setup. So now let's click on this new workflow builder. Because I'm going to use the new one, we have to enter the workflow name and select the folder. So over here, if you wish to create a new folder, go on this create new folder button and create your own. After doing this, we have to click on this button which says create, and once we click on this create, it is going to open the most important window of our automation, which is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Facebook lead ads and select Facebook lead ads. For the event, we have to select new lead instant and click on this connect. And once we click on this connect, we have to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So if you have already created this connection, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. So it is not asking me to log in inside Facebook because I have already logged in my account before starting with the automation. But if you haven't logged in your account before starting with the automation, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then only you're going to get this option. So once you get this option, you have to click on this continue and connect your Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. Now after creating this connection, you have to select the page name and then the lead gen form. So the name of my page is Digital Dynamics, so I'm going to select the same. For the lead gen form, I'm going to select my form. Over here I want to create this automation only for a particular form, so I've selected the same. If you wish to create this automation for any another lead gen form or all your lead gen forms, you can select that too. Now we have to switch on this simple response button so that we can capture the response in simpler format and click on this save and send test request. And once we click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So let's capture this webhook response, open a new tab and search for Meta for Developers and open the landing page of Meta for Developers. From here, go towards this resources and then developer tools and scroll and select this lead ads RTO debug tool. Alright, so let's open this lead ads RTO debug tool right from here. And once we're going to open this page, we have to select the page and the form. Alright, so let's select the page and the form over here which we selected in our workflow. For the product, you have to select lead retrieval and click on this preview form. Now let's fill in this form. So I'm going to fill in this form as test lead. So let's say someone sees my ad on their Facebook and they are interested and they are filling this lead form. So let's say I'm going to enter the first name as test, last name as lead. For the email, I'm going to keep it as testlead44@pabblytunes.com. Now let's move on further. I'm going to enter the rest of the details like the phone number, and then I'm going to enter this company name as Pabcon. Now after entering all of these details, let's click on this continue and then submit. And yes, you're going to see that we have successfully submitted this form. So now let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. So let's wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, Pabbly has successfully captured the response. And now using these details, I'm going to create a new subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So let's close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, we are going to search for Pabbly email marketing over here and select it. For the event, we're going to select it as add subscribers and click on this connect. Now, if you have already created a connection between Pabbly email marketing and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection and it is asking for the token. So you're going to get this hyperlink in this text, which is developer API. So simply click on this developer API and here's the bearer token. So you have to copy this token and paste it in your workflow. So I'm going to copy and paste it and click on this save. And with this, our Pabbly email marketing account is connected. So easy, right? Now we have to select the list name and enter the email and the name. But we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So I'm going to simply map both of these details and click on this save and send test request. We have received the positive response that the list is successfully updated. Alright, so let's open our subscribers list. Now we have only 2, but let's refresh it and check that if a new subscriber has been added. And you're going to see yes, a new subscriber has been added in this Facebook lead ads list. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow, and now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, automatically a new subscriber will be added in this Pabbly email marketing. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back in again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.